Hello everybody, welcome back. Happy Friday. And you're probably wondering, like, where am I? Haven't seen this background before because I actually haven't like officially shown you yet, but I'm in my new studio. It's like same studio, but I redecorated it. A video coming for that in I think a couple weeks. But anyways, I have a much more exciting topic to talk about today, and that is that my chocolate shop on Etsy is officially relaunching as of today. I'm so excited! If you guys have been with my channel for about like a year and a half now, you'll know that about a year and a half ago, I had a chocolate shop on Etsy and I loved it. It was so much fun. I love that aspect of Pankobunny, but I got too busy to do it properly because I was making all the chocolates myself and organizing like the business or shipping stuff on the Etsy end, and it was just too much to do that. It took like an entire afternoon to make 2 boxes of chocolate, and I just like, Christmas is coming up and I'm like, I wanted to do so much for Christmas and I couldn't, and I'm like, let's just take a break. And so I've actually partnered up with a chocolatier. She is wonderful. Her name is Stephanie. So Stephanie, if you're watching this, hello, I love you so much. So because of her and her incredible chocolate skills, I'm able to bring Etsy back, and I'm so excited. The format is going to be a little bit different than it used to be before, but I think it's a better format or a better kind of like layout or whatever to the shop. So what's going to happen is that every Friday a new flavor is going to be released in my Etsy shop, and it will be in limited quantities, and it will be in stock as long as it's in stock. So there won't be unlimited stock like there was last time. I'm sure you can hear Paddington, because what is a Pankobunny video without a little like whirring little Paddington right in the background? Oh my gosh, he knows I'm filming. So yeah, each Friday I think I'm gonna post a secondary video on Friday just showing like what the new flavor is, and as soon as that video goes live on YouTube, the chocolates will be available for purchase in this shop. So what I recommend doing is, as soon as you see the video go live, hit the notification bell if you want to be like the first in line. Go, run, and order the box of chocolates, because there's no guarantee that that flavor for that week is going to be back in stock ever. They're going to be sold in boxes of 15, which look like this, and I'll have a nicer shot here for you guys. It's tied with Pankobunny ribbon and comes with a little like Pankobunny thank you note. And so inside each box you'll get 15 truffles that are the flavor of that week. This week we're starting off with milk chocolate because I feel like it's a universally liked flavor, and I think it's a really solid flavor to just start back up the shop with. These are the same recipes that I used in my previous, or like in Etsy shop 1.0, except they're made much better because Stephanie is wonderful. So the chocolate shell is a lot thinner, which I wasn't able to achieve on my own, but she can. And the inside, okay, wait, before I get into that, so the chocolate that we're using for the shell is kind of like Lindt chocolate, in that it's a Swiss chocolate and it's so soft, so silky and creamy and so melty, and it's not like that gross kind of like overly sweet chocolate. It's very, very nice. It's the kind of chocolate that you can give as a gift, and people really appreciate that it tastes like a higher end chocolate. There is no way, I'm going all out. I'm making sure that this is like Pankobunny quality, and for the last 5 years I've like tasted every single dish, so so I've become super picky with food, so these pass my test. And on the inside, oh my gosh, so for the milk chocolate, the inside is filled with a whipped milk chocolate ganache. So what it is, if you're familiar with ganache, is like it's like a chocolate and cream mixture, but I've whipped it. And so what whipping it does is it allows a lot of air to get into the ganache, and it gets so light and fluffy, and when you bite into the truffle, it like melts in your mouth. It's so good, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to taste these. So yeah, I'm just gonna try one on camera. Also, this is my box, the one I'm like manhandling. I ordered an extra box for me to like take photos of. So the photos that you're seeing, you're not gonna get a box of chocolates that I like sweat next to, so don't worry. It sounds so gross. But yours are nice and clean and packaged in a wonderful clean environment, so don't worry. So when you open it up, it looks like this. How cute are they? Oh my gosh. So I love that my job is eating chocolate. Oh, so good. I think I have a cavity though, so it kind of hurts, but it shouldn't hurt people who have better dental health than I do. So the chocolate shell is so nice and thin, not too thin, but just like the perfect balance between that and the filling. And so the filling, as soon as you put the truffle in your mouth, the filling just like melts and it's just like this creamy milk chocolatey goodness. Oh my gosh, oh, it's so good. Also, in regards to shipping, I do ship internationally and I'll ship them anywhere in the world, so it doesn't matter where you are, don't worry about it. Because I'm in Canada, shipping is annoying, to be completely honest. Eventually when I move to the States, I imagine that this process will get so much easier, so bear with me. Anyway, it's annoying on my end, it's not really annoying on your end, so don't worry about that. This is just like me whining. But don't worry about it if you're in the UK, if you're in Australia, if you are in South America, if you're in the States, if you're in Canada, don't worry, I will send them to you. If you're looking for like a gift for somebody that's like nice and small, but really, really nice and delicious, like I really recommend these. These are fantastic. I'm so happy with how they turned out. So the only difference between this year and last year's truffles is that these are actually slightly bigger. I had a new mold made and they were a little bit bigger than they used to be. And so in regards to pricing, they're only going to be available, at least to start off, in boxes of 15. This is simply because these are the boxes that I had left over from last year's because I bought them in bulk. So you might see a change down the line once like we sell some boxes and I have to repurchase some, so that might change. But the truffles are sold at $2 a piece, which is like the typical price of a truffle. So the price of the box is just determined by how many truffles are inside. If you'd like me to offer boxes of smaller amounts, maybe like 4 truffles or like single truffles, definitely let me know in the comment section below. I want to create this into the chocolate shop that you guys wish existed. So if you have a flavor in mind that like you've never seen and you want to try, definitely leave them in the comment section down below. And if you want to have even more of a say in what goes on Etsy and everything like that, is actually one of like the rewards that I offer through Patreon. And I'm not going to sell you 2 things in one video, so that's all I'm going to say about that, but the link will be in the description box below, and if you click that, it will explain everything, so there we go. But yeah, so these chocolates will be available on my Etsy shop at www.pankobunny.etsy.com. A link will also be in the description box as well if you guys want to check it out. And yes, if you have any requests what you'd like to see in the shop, I'm thinking of eventually moving into like making some chocolate bars as well with some really, really cool flavors. But so far, some ideas I have in mind for truffles are red velvet, birthday cake, matcha green tea, obviously dark and white chocolate as well, like s'mores, so many. So I'm so excited. I can't wait for you guys to try these. I really, really hope you like them. And yeah, if you're interested in the box of the milk chocolate bunnies, go and run because there's only 19 there, so make sure you get one before somebody else does. If you're looking for a really nice gift, especially for Mother's Day, I personally think that these would be a really, really cute option. I will see you on Monday for an all-new video, and also stay tuned on Instagram, which is at Pankobunny, because I'm getting my second puppy on Sunday, and of course I'm filming that and posting it on Instagram, so if you want to see my little girl puppy arrive home and play with Paddington for the first time, head on over to Instagram, and there will be so much puppiness, so much in Insta stories. So anyways, thank you guys so much, and yeah, I hope you're as excited about this chocolate shop as I am. Bye.